This is the new brushless 18 volt, half-inch high torque impact wrench from Dewalt. The DCF900 replaces the DCF800, and despite them being almost the same size and weight, there's a huge step up in output power. At 1,355 Newton meters of fastening torque, that's 405 Newton meters of torque more than its predecessor, with a peak braking or nut busting torque of 1,898 Newton meters, which is 273 Newton meters more than the old as well. And that's really visible here. Under the same load with the same battery, the DCF900 is 28% faster. Now, taking the mode switch from the old model, they've replaced it with a button on this model. That'll cycle through your 4 torque modes from low, medium, high, and they've added precision mode as well. Now, each of the modes have a different RPM while fastening, but they all go full send when you are loosening. In precision mode, the tool tightens at the slower 820 RPM until it just nips the bolt up or it detects that it's starting to impact, at which point it pauses, and this is to help you to prevent over tightening. After that pause, if you're still holding the trigger, it's going to go full send. And on top of those 4 modes, you've got a variable speed trigger and plenty of control to control your fastening. The only other button there to worry about is for toggling the light. It's got 2 brightness settings, or you can switch it off. Now, despite the tool's output, it's really not too heavy at all. It's got rubber grips everywhere you touch the tool, including where you push the tool down from behind. That's the new DCF900. If you want more information on this tool, you can talk to any of our team at your local Sydney Tool store, or you can go online to sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, you can always hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.